Hola, cordial saludo. Mi nombre es Eligia Rosa Alarcón Moreno. Actualmente curso sexto semestre. La actividad que voy a presentar es para la Corporación Honestidad del Caribe SECAR en la asignatura Inglés, nivel 6. Hello teacher, I hear you're doing writing. Let's talk about friends. My close friends is Adriana now. We've been friends for over 10 years. With many a concert, and as a surprise, she endeavored to be mad for working in the school. I have not yet many friends or social networking. I think that I got about 200 friends, but I do not talk with all of them. I had many dreams when I was growing up, but I still remember Anna, Estela, and Mariana. I lost these early with when talking tour and with yet many moments. I do had friends who had entirely language, for example, Pan and Manuel are missionaries, and they had fit two different crowns doing social labor, and Michael what now as they do they are able to enjoy different cultures and travel them. Thanks for listening. Esto era mis pronunciaciones. Gracias.